Alright, this is it. The Battle of my Ombres. Bad joke, sorry. Welcome back to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online. If you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate it if you purchase your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Alright, and we'll be going over today a comparison of two different day-date 36s. Both of these are kind of interesting models, all right? Both of them ombre style dials. What does that mean? Ombre style dials means that you start with a nice deep hue of whatever color you have. Currently, there's only green and blue. Now you have a deep green on this day-date 36 on the right here. This one is a model reference number 128238. Which is to say that it is made entirely out of yellow gold. There's also a day-date that is 36 millimeters in diameter from finger to thumb. Same with this one, although this is white gold, so it's 128239. Now, these respective model numbers have, or they offer this sort of color pattern. I don't know if you can call it pattern. It's a radial gradient where you start with a nice deep color and you just fade to nearly black on the perimeter of that dial. It's absolutely beautiful in person. So much better than what you can see on this camera, sorry to say. But anyway, we're here to help you make your buying decision. If you have, this sort of ombre dial in mind, you can only get it on the day-date 36s. Now, what's the same about these watches? Just about everything. The size, the thickness, even the movement is the same. What's different? The type of gold here. This gold is yellow gold. Very easy to tell that it is yellow gold. The 128239, this blue ombre style dial, is actually white gold. And the best way to know that is to see that there is a fluted bezel, because fluted bezels are always made in some sort of gold, never in steel. So this fluted bezels were originally made for the purpose of screwing directly onto the front of the case to ensure waterproofness. Both of these actually have the same waterproofness down to 100 meters or 330 feet. But, modern technology has made that sort of, well, not really necessary, because these cases, along with the sapphire crystals, the screw-down crown, as well as the screw-down case backs on both of these, makes it, well, kind of unnecessary to have a fluted bezel that also maintains that water resistance. So, it's only there so that you know that it is certainly a Rolex. And, I'm holding this one at its position so you can actually see the blue. Now, when it comes to the overall presentation, essentially the same. You have the same sort of dial configuration, 8 round diamonds set in 18 karat gold. The 128238, the green ombre dial, has a matching yellow gold setting for each of these diamonds, baguette style diamonds at the 6 and 9 positions to nicely counterweight the day and the date apertures. And with this blue colored dial, you have the same sort of configuration, albeit in white gold, same baguette style diamond placement, 6 and 9 to counterweight the day and date apertures. Again, not really much is different. The same exact movement, same exact crown functions. So what's different? It's the colors, really. Do you prefer this sort of like warm tone of yellow mixed with this slightly cooler green? It's sort of an analogous sort of type of color scheme where you have, two colors that are effectively next to each other on the color wheel. You have a very nice mid-tone. This one feels a lot warmer, even though the dial itself is technically a cool color. It is an ombre green, and depending on your angle of view, it could actually appear just pitch black almost. But in certain types of light, as you can see right here, extremely, extremely vibrant, very vivid green. All right. Whereas when it comes to the blue ombre style dial, let me see if you can, yeah, it gets very dark on there. Now, when it comes to the overall, color scheme here, it's a very cool, actually, overall color scheme. The white gold is technically a warmer type of chromatic, that neutral silvery color look, because gold itself does have an overall warm color to it. The white gold is Rolex's own proprietary blend of gold with other metals to keep that shine, keep that strength, and the ability to finish it to such a high degree with this satin finishing, as well as the high polish with that strength in mind as well. It's overall technically a cool or warm color here, but a very, very cool dial. This blue, you can't get any cooler than this when it comes to the overall color feel, and therefore this overall look is a cooler style of watch, whereas the yellow gold with the green ombre dial has a warmer presence. So which one is right for you? Well, only you can really decide that. Now, when it comes to these President style bracelets, you have the same exact feel, exact same size, width, and length. They both open the same, they both feel the same. So I don't really need to try either of these on. We have videos on both of these watches individually on our channel, jazztime.com, as well, our own website. So you can see it there, you can see it here on YouTube as well. Now, again, this is for your own, personal benefit to see which one you would rather choose. Now, which one would I choose? Well, I'm gonna have to go with the blue ombre dial. Now, why is that? Because I love blue. Simple as that. Name me someone who doesn't like blue. Go ahead, I'll wait. Call them out in the comments below. Don't dox them, please, but just playfully. Honestly, there's no reason not to choose the green if it is available, but honestly, you can see it right here. This is Jazz Time. We have both of these watches available in our store, jazztime.com. Links in the description below if you want to purchase either or even both of these. If you want that choice, we can get you that choice. All right? So, if you learned anything from this video, honestly, there's not really much to learn. It's just looking at the overall aesthetics, because the functions, everything is the same about these watches except the color. That's it. That's the only thing that's different. Hit that like button if you liked any part of this video. If you like this overall comparison, there's really not much to say here, and I'm pretty sure that's why there is no comparison on YouTube between these two watches, because, well, there's not really much to say other than that different color schemes. But I do have knowledge with color theory, and knowing that, if you have a general cool outfit look and you don't really want to, wow your audience all that much, you want to be a little bit subtle, go with the blue ombre dial with the white gold overall presentation. If you want to really stand out, get this yellow gold with the green ombre dial. It really stands out. It's also very easy to read and an excellent conversation piece, because these two ombre style dials not available on any other model. Datejust, Oyster Perpetual, Submariner, Yachtmaster, Daytona even. Only on the Day-Date 36, not even on the Day-Date 40 are these dials actually available. Alright, so let us know down in the comments which one you would choose. And, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification so you can be notified when we go live with another video like one of these. And as always, if you'd like to purchase either of these watches, or even both of them, heck, you have the choice right now. We've got both of these watches in stock. You can pick one up, or even both of them. Links down in the description below. Go to jazztime.com and we'll see you in the next one.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in Jazz Time, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.